Hi guys, because guys in here, Jamaican YouTuber, welcome back to my channel, and we are going to react to the Permission to Dance by BPS music video that dropped yesterday in July 9 Japan time. Yeah, I don't know what to expect for this song, but let's see what's going to get into. Hopefully it's a banger, something for the summer, for the ladies, for the guys, I don't know, for everybody, you know what I mean? I'm not a member of the BTS army, but they have some dope songs, and my favorite is Mic Drop. And because I also do music, check me out on Spotify, Dre Amazing, my latest single, Gimme Love.
All I got that looks up, you know. Me no know, me no know, me no know, me no know, me no know. Mama need dark in my life, me no know, me no know, me no know. Alright, girl come give me love, girl come give me love. You the type of girl that I've been really searching for. Girl come give me love, girl come give me love. You the type of girl that I've been really searching for. Here's my heart, take all of it. Can't shake you like a bad habit. They love for you, them can't stop it. Beauty, yes, you have a lot of it. Intelligence, you not like it. So you not make me your pick. Hotter than the sun, we're shining in the tropics.
Thanks for checking it out. Let's get straight into the reaction right now. Oh, okay, the mask and stuff. Alright. Excuse me. Thank you.
It's the thought of being young when your heart's just like a drum, beating louder with nowhere to guard it. When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John and to
Wait a minute. It's all over the song. So there's all. When did they get a British accent? Wow. I don't have a problem with it, but it just startled me, you know what I mean?
the feeling we're just getting started.
When the nights get colder and the rhythm's got you falling behind,
Okay, boy.
just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. Then you say, I wanna dance. The music's got me going and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's make a place and live just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, just when we're going, know how to land.
Don't need to talk the talk, just walk the walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance.
Sorry, I just over right there. I like the lyrics. I like what they're saying. When we fall, we don't need to worry because we know how to land. Basically, they're saying, yo, we know the bad times are coming. We know about the bad times. We are prepared for it, so don't worry about it when we get through it. Yo, this is a dope song already. I already see the kids getting wild to this.
There's always something that's standing in the way, but if you don't let it phase you, you know just how to break. Just with the right vibe, yeah. 'Cause there's no looking back. There ain't no one to prove we don't got this on lock. Yeah, the wait is over. The time is not, so let's do it right. Yeah, we'll keep going and stay up until we see the sun rise. And we say, I wanna dance. The music's got me going and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's break our plans and leave just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, 'cause where we from, we know how to live.
Alright, dinner.
The top, just walk the walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance. We don't need permission to dance.
Well, let me show you that we can keep the fire alive.
'Cause it's not over till the summer. Say one more time. Say, I wanna dance. The music's got me going. Nothing that can stop how we move.
Hey, hey.
Make our plans and live just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools.
Like we're dancing fools.
We don't need to worry, 'cause when we fall, we know how
had this like signature that says da na 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 na. I love it. Dope song. It's so catchy. I like how they have tied in a message as well as a catchy song with a vibe. Also, did you guys notice the pulling of the mask off? It must mean something. Is this wait a minute. We're not going to skip all over that. Is that a political message? Is this a political message? Is BTS saying it's time for this vaccine, corona stuff to be over? We don't need permission to dance. No more lockdowns, no more SOEs. Wow, I don't know. I mean, it doesn't have to mean anything, but I mean, it could mean something. Symbols. It's bad. I like it. I love it. All right, denims and blue. Also, wait, pause. Are the frilly things back in fashion? The frilly cowboy western looking thing. I'm not a fashionista by any means, but I don't know how I feel about that. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, though. Oh, that's a video. Oh, it's not done. Wait, there's more. Oh. Oh, that's nice. That was really nice. I thought it was done, but that was nice. That was a nice touch to the end. They seem really personable. I see why a lot of people like them. Yeah, so that's the video. This dance is something we're doing in Jamaica right now, actually. So, I mean, it's really catchy, really simple and nice. So, let me know. Peace out. Alright, guys, that is the video. If you liked it, leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Want to see more reactions? And also, yeah, check out my music. Spotify, Dre Amazing. Alright? Y'all come give me love. I'm out.